It's gonna be a part 3 because my camera just cut off. And there's Starbucks. There's definitely smells like breakfast down here. I need to go have some breakfast. So.
It's over there.
Yeah, so this is where we were before.
Go this way, babe.
Give you a tour of the gift shop. Oh, here are these cups. It smells like a cabin in here.
Okay, guys.
Pebbles. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going.
Now.
You want to be part of the clubhouse crew? Head over to the Great Kids store to purchase a great kid.
Alright, so yeah, they got toothpaste, toothbrush. They got a bunch of candy.
They got Dylan's favorite show.
It's not a show, but technically it is because it's a show on Netflix. I'm not picking that up. We got emojis. This is kind of like the one that Tyler got yesterday at the arcade.
No, I got this kind. I got this kind at the arcade.
It's cool. Stephanie CT. CT and Circle, I think. Where's Brian?
Let me find it. Are these YouTubers?
No. There's a wall where the YouTubers can sign their names.
Yeah. No, I think B. Wait, can we go sign their names?
Don't. Dang it.
Here's a different name. Here's a different way you spend it. Find it. Brian Boulevard.
Brian Boulevard, go to the street. Brian Boulevard, it's awesome. Oh, we got a Mike and Ike thing.
I want Dylan Drive. Is there one that me?
Dylan. Yeah. Come here. Look what they have, though. They got a Mike and Ike thing, like a Mike and Ike thing. It's over here.
Guys, look at
They have like different Mike and Ikes in them. We're anticipating, but no. It's not worth it. We'll probably come back. We'll probably come to this gift shop when we leave and get some cotton candy and some stuff.
this stuff. I need like a phone.
Okay. That's a hat. Look how I look in it. I'm gonna go back to the hotel. This is boring.
Okay, you guys, I'll be there in a minute. I gotta see how. Oh, guys. I'm going back to the hotel. Let's go. I'll be there in a couple of minutes.
I mean, we'll wait for you, Dylan, because you know what? We have to stick together. So I'm gonna pause this, guys.
Go now.
Okay.
Let's get ready to go. Well, I gotta go out to the car.
Yeah, we can go out to the car, but first we gotta go get the keys.
Yeah, I gotta go.
So we gotta go back to our hotel room and get the keys because he has to run out to the car real quick. And then we're gonna probably get dressed and go to the water park. He's already dressed.
I have on. No, I will see if I have a case for the phone so I can bring it into the water for you guys.
Okay, we're gonna go up the elevator, guys.
Where do you want to go? Downstairs?
We'll go. Yeah, we want to go to 1.
Okay, come on, let's go. I got your jacket. Stop. Back in the video. Unless you guys gotta go outside and see how it is and then walk down to our hotel. You guys gonna do that?
Nah.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna go this way, guys, because this is obviously the way we go. So we were here before. There's outside.
Let's see if this one opens. Got it.
Okay. So
if it was, oh my gosh! It's fake.
okay, so we're gonna go back. Do 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 do.
So I'm gonna
Get in
find new stairs in the elevator.
stairs.
So
So yeah, we're heading down.
water park is down here. Guys, let's see if it's open yet.
It probably is.
And if we
All right, here we are. Floor 1.
Thank you.
this way.
This is where we showed up, guys. Wait a minute, don't we go that way?
To the water park?
No,
let's
let's
just put this way because.
Alright. Because we came this way.
So guys, we've been making a video for a long
She's probably looking for us.
I think she would have her phone there. I don't know what my phone is.